operated period underway. Sorry for some of that confusion earlier. See some scoring going up over for the Blue Alliance side. That's 58-47 Ironclad. They're lining up to retrieve a coral from the coral station. Got it in their manipulator as all three Blue Alliance robots line up with that reef. 8880 Terra Cyborg going up to score on L4 as Ironclad does as well. 10 points total between the two of them to the Blue Alliance. 78-48, that's Y Fighters over at a coral station. Lined up to possibly try and intake a coral if they can. Trying to get lined up if possible as their human player sends one through if they can. It may have gone in, but they may be having a bit of trouble lining up successfully. Moving over to the Red Alliance side of the field, 1259 Paradigm Shift. Lining up with L4, dropping off for 5 points to the Red Alliance. Their alliance partner, 2040 Dirt, traveling over to the Blue Alliance side of the field, looking to possibly raising their elevator as they play some defense on Y Fighters, lining up against that coral station. Sending their elevator back up and down a few times. We'll see what strategy they're trying to play at this point. For now, it appears that they're predominantly down there to play defense and slow down the Blue Alliance. 54 seconds to go, 67-56 towards the Blue Alliance at this point. It is still very tight. That is less than a deep cage climb up of separation. 1259 Paradigm Shift for that Red Alliance, still working on cycling coral onto the reef. They just dropped one off on L2 for 3 points. Maybe doing that again. Given that they seem to have generally stopped around 5 coral on any specific level, they may be targeting that ranking point for coral. But with under 30 seconds to go, they're still cranking away to make it happen. Those pings signify the start of the end game. 78-48 Y Fighters moving in towards the Blue Alliance zone of cages, but their elevator does appear to be in the way of moving all the way in if they wanted to. They've lowered it possibly to go in as Paradigm Shift in the air. Y Fighters trying to line up to climb, but it appears that only Paradigm Shift might be off the ground as time expires. Blue Alliance with a score of 127-77. Both alliances carrying home that auto RP for their movement in the autonomous period, plus that coral score. Barge ranking point going to the Red Alliance for their score.